everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the tips management in Odoo 18 point of sale. So in Odoo 18 point of sale, tips refers to the additional amount of money that our customers choose to pay to the staff as a token of appreciation for the service provided. And this feature allows business to easily manage and distribute tips among their employees. So let's dive into the point of sale to see how this tip management is done in point of sale. So here you can find different point of sale. I would like to configure the tips for bakery shop. So let's move on to the three dots, and under here you can find the edit, where you can just go to the configuration settings of a particular um, point of sale. So as you just drag down here under the payment section, you can see the tips. This would accept customer tips or convert their change to a tip. So we have to set a product over here. As you just get into the internal link of this, you can see that it has a type of goods. And afterwards, you can just move to the point of sale and let's see how this tip is applied. So as you click on open register, this would let you to open the register by setting the opening cache. That is the cache that were available in our drawboard previously. So you can just click on open register and you can just add different items over here. I would like to add all these items into my cart. Afterwards here, let's move on to the payment. So as I just move on to the payment, and as we have just enabled the tips here, you can see that we can just add the tip. So the total price of the product is just 19.61. Now let me just apply a tip over here. So in previous versions of Odoo and all, we know that we can use the predefined tips over there. But in Odoo 18, we don't have such option. We have to set it manually. So the customer can manually enter the tip amount from here. The customer would like to give a tip of 10 rupee, that is the $10, and let me click on OK, so that will be added over here. Now you can see that the validate button is not yet visible over here. This is because we haven't chosen any payment methods. So I would like to choose a payment method as card, and here we just need to choose a customer. I'm going to choose a customer as Billy Fox. Afterwards, we just need to make an invoice. So in order to get the invoice, we have to enable the invoice field over there and click on validate so that we can just get the invoice also. Do the payment process over here. So in the payment process here, you would be able to find that the tip that is added, uh, and it also shows all the other details such as the items that is purchased by the customer, as well as the untaxed amount, the tax that is applied and all. So by using Odoo's point of sales tips management feature, business can streamline the process of accepting, tracking and distributing tips, ensuring fairness and transparency. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.